What happens when you eat lychee every day? Although it won't make you fly or give you magical telekinesis powers, what it will do is help restore and potentially elevate some key processes in your body. Join us on this insightful journey as we explore the remarkable benefits and key considerations associated with making lychee a regular part of your diet. The nutritional value. Before we embark on the daily wonders of lychee, let's delve into the scientific intricacies of this exotic fruit's nutrient profile. Lychee, scientifically known as lychee chinensis, serves as a botanical reservoir of essential vitamins and minerals. From vitamin C, a potent antioxidant crucial for immune defense and collagen synthesis, to vitamin B6, niacin, and riboflavin contributing to metabolic processes, lychee delivers a nutrient ensemble that harmonizes with the intricate dance of our physiological systems. Moreover, the mineral spectrum, including potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, copper, and zinc, acts as the backstage crew, ensuring the smooth functioning of various physiological processes. All right, now we know its nutrient profile. Let's jump into what actually happens to your body when you eat lychees every day. Number 1. Lychee's beauty boost. Let's unravel the scientific magic that lychee performs on your skin. Beyond the sheer pleasure of indulgence, lychee's antioxidant prowess is a result of flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds combat oxidative stress, neutralizing free radicals and preserving the integrity of skin cells. Ascorbic acid, or vitamin C, abundant in lychee, plays a dual role: a cofactor in collagen synthesis, promoting skin elasticity, and a scavenger of free radicals, aiding in the prevention of premature aging. So, the radiant, glowing skin promised by lychee is indeed a result of a biochemical symphony orchestrated by its rich nutrient composition. Number 2. Energize your day. Moving beyond aesthetics, let's delve into the biochemical ballet that unfolds when lychee becomes your daily energy companion. The natural sugars in lychee, primarily fructose, coupled with the synergistic action of B vitamins like B6, niacin, and riboflavin, form a nutrient powerhouse. This dynamic combination fuels cellular processes, facilitating the conversion of food into energy. It's not just about satisfying your palate. It's about fueling your day with a burst of tropical goodness, sustaining your vitality effortlessly throughout the day. Number 3. Metabolism booster. Now let's delve into how lychee becomes your secret weapon for a turbocharged metabolism. Imagine your metabolism as the engine that powers your body's energy expenditure. Lychee steps in with its high fiber content, acting as a catalyst for this metabolic engine. Fiber plays a pivotal role in supporting digestive processes, ensuring that your body efficiently absorbs and utilizes nutrients. By keeping digestion in check, lychee helps maintain a steady energy release throughout the day, preventing energy crashes and promoting a vibrant, active lifestyle. So, when we talk about lychee as a metabolism booster, we're essentially talking about giving your body the fuel it needs to function optimally, a tasty and nutritious way to rev up your internal engine. Number 4. Immune system support. Boosting your immune system is always in style, and lychee steps up as a powerful ally in this quest. With its rich vitamin C content, lychee becomes your go-to for immune support. A robust immune system not only keeps illnesses at bay, but also reflects in the vibrancy of your skin. Consider lychee your shield against those pesky bugs and the secret weapon for that extra glow. It's not just a fruit. It's a health-boosting elixir that your body and skin will thank you for every day. So, explore for yourself the immunity-enhancing magic of lychee and empower your health journey. Number 5. Digestive delight. Let's round off our lychee journey with its impact on digestion. Lychee is more than just a delight for your taste buds. It's a digestive delight, too. The fiber in lychee, both soluble and insoluble, is like the unsung hero for your digestive system. It keeps things moving smoothly, preventing any uncomfortable bloating or sluggishness. Additionally, the high water content in lychee aids in hydration, contributing to a healthy digestive process. So, when we talk about lychee as a digestive delight, we mean it's not just delicious but also easy on your stomach, promoting overall digestive wellness. Considerations and moderation. While lychee offers a plethora of health benefits, it's essential to approach any dietary change with moderation and consideration. Some individuals may be allergic to lychee, So if you're trying it for the first time, start with a small amount and monitor your body's response. Additionally, lychee contains natural sugars. So if you have diabetes or are watching your sugar intake, it's advisable to consume lychee in moderation. How to incorporate lychee into your diet. Discovering delicious ways to incorporate lychee into your diet is not only enjoyable, but also a fantastic way to maximize its health benefits. Consider starting your day with a refreshing lychee-infused smoothie, or adding this exotic fruit to your favorite fruit salad for a burst of sweetness. If you're feeling adventurous, experiment with incorporating lychee into savory recipes. Its unique flavor profile can complement both sweet and savory dishes. Whether enjoyed fresh, blended, or as a delightful addition to various culinary creations, making lychee a regular part of your meals adds a touch of tropical goodness to your daily nutrition. As for how many lychees should we be eating? The number of lychees recommended per day can vary based on individual dietary needs, overall health, and personal preferences. However, a moderate and balanced approach is typically recommended. Consuming around 6-10 lychees per day is considered an acceptable portion, according to the dietary guidelines for Americans. It's important to keep in mind that while lychees offer various health benefits, moderation is key, especially considering their natural sugar content. Always consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist to determine the best portion size for your specific needs and health goals. You see, making lychee a regular part of your diet can be a delightful journey into overall health and well-being. From enhancing your skin's complexion to promoting digestive health, lychee has rightfully earned its status as a nutritional powerhouse. Remember, individual responses to foods can vary, so pay attention to how your body reacts. If you found this exploration into the world of lychee intriguing, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow lychee enthusiasts, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite way to enjoy this tropical delight. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.